Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share a recipe for chicken tortilla soup. It's a very easy recipe and it could be a meal by itself and very simple to make. And I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that I'm going to add about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and I'm adding 1 medium sized onion, which is white onion. You can use red onion, that's fine too. So I'm going to saute the onions until they get translucent. It would take about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'm going to add the jalapenos, which are finely chopped, and also red and green bell pepper. So it's a very colorful dish and lots of vegetables in this. So this soup is completely filled with vegetables and proteins because we are going to add chicken breast and as well as black beans, which is similar to our rajma. So you just have to boil the rajma with salt in it, and cup and a half of black beans I'm using, which are rajma, and also about cup of corns, the kernels of corn. I'm going to keep sauteing this. So I'm going to add about 200 grams of chicken piece, which is boneless chicken breast. So basically it's a lean meat, very healthy soup you could call. And I'm going to let it cook inside. I'm going to add the chicken broth you could add, or veg broth, that's fine as well. So after adding the chicken, I'm going to add the cup and a half of crushed tomatoes. And I'm going to dump the veg broth, which is about a liter of veg broth. You can use water as well, that's perfectly fine. To this I'm going to add the salt, cumin powder and smoked paprika. You can add red chili powder, that's perfectly fine too. So I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of salt and about 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. You can add regular chili powder, and I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder to this. And I'm going to let it boil until the chicken gets cooked. It would take about 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm going to cover the pan. And then I'm going to let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes until the chicken gets cooked. And once the chicken is cooked, we are going to take out the piece of the chicken breast, and I'm just going to shred it with a fork, and then I'm going to garnish it with the baked tortillas, because it's a tortilla soup, chicken tortilla soup. I'm going to bake the tortillas in the oven, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Since it is a chicken tortilla soup, I've taken 5 tortillas. Basically these are the corn tortillas. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे जर मैद्याच्या ज्या पोळ्या असतात किंवा आपण काय म्हणतो कॉर्नच्या ज्या पोळ्या मिळतात, हल्ली मार्केटमध्ये पण मिळत असणार, आय एम प्रिटी शुअर अबाउट दिस. And these are the ones I'm using. I've taken about 4 to 5 of them, and I'm going to cut them into strips like that. So like so, I'm going to make the strips of the tortillas. You can find these tortillas in the grocery store. And I'm going to just spray them with the oil, any vegetable oil spray, you can do that. Or brush them with the oil. And then sprinkle some taco seasoning over it. And this is going to be our garnish for the soup. And for vegetarians, you can always skip the chicken and use rest of the vegetables that I showed you. I'm just going to lay them around like so. So it's a very healthy recipe. I'm just going to spray the oil over it, or you can brush the oil on the strips. And I'm going to bake these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or around 180 degrees Celsius. And keep an eye on them. It would take about 10 to 15 minutes, I would say. And I'm adding some Mexican seasoning over it. taco seasoning. And I'm going to pop this in the oven. So by the time our soup is getting cooked, these strips also would be ready. So now our tortilla strips are done. You look at them, they're nicely crispy now, because I had baked it exactly for about 15 to 17 minutes in the oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And these are going to be the garnish for our soup, which is our chicken tortilla soup. Okay, look at them. And also I'm going to put the fresh coriander in our soup now, about half a bowl full of freshly chopped coriander. And also we are going to garnish it with avocado. So it's going to be very protein packed soup that you're going to have. It could be one dish meal. So I'm going to take out the chicken that is cooked already now, and I'm going to just use the fork to make it like, you know, shredded chicken, and we're going to add it back to the soup. And in the meantime, I'm going to add fresh coriander leaves. I've taken about handful of coriander. It's going to be about half a cupful of coriander, because that gives nice flavor to our soup. And we're almost done to serve our chicken tortilla soup now. And let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So I'm shredding the chicken now, and I'm going to put this back again in our soup. So you can see our chicken is nicely shredded now. I'm going to add it back to the soup, let it simmer for about 5 more minutes, and I'm going to serve it with crispy tortilla chips over it, and avocado and sprig of fresh coriander. Now chicken tortilla soup is ready to be served. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Heart to Palate.